Fumble una couche and una hadu. We are don't come back till they fuck and talk about things where they happen. And we on sweet yard salon. I know we all. Oh, we left for do them bad things them. We they feel a more salon. I know we all. Oh, we had. Famul. Mina Ali Usise.
Mina Usman Justin.
This na you yard. We want say plenty thank you to the one that will subscribe to our channel. And we don't like, comment, and share with video.
And we want to say plenty thank you to una we get the patience for go na YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, click with video them. Burn una credit for support we watch with video them. Who tell una plenty thank you.
If you just join me today, we want to say, do ya press the subscribe button. And then you press the notification bell. So anytime we post the video, you will be amongst the first people we go get with video them. Yeah? We get plenty things where we want to can talk about. Let me just go now 2 of the main things then.
The number 1 thing today we'll get for talk about now about Idris Elba. For Cameroon, he don't gain citizenship and all diplomatic passports. Waiting, una think about that now we had. Fambolem, una help we discuss this, now we understand something.
Sam Sumana. Alpha Saidu Bangura.
Another banger.
Una dey in love or una not get pride for una self? You wanna know what we think? Or why we ask this kind of question? Continue for the watch the video. We will tell you more as we go on. But we get the first thing we want to discuss about. We want to talk about the Tiwo Promusina in the last edition. We get for do it the first female coach where we don't get inside the Salon Premier League. And it don't be the first female coach na Africa na Premier League.
This female coach will not get not only the coach the Eastern Tiger,
then just don't unveil him as the coach for the Eastern Tiger. And I will tell you, the first game where he ever played, where he coached the team, guess what at the outcome?
He win or he lost?
No. He not win, he not lost.
Half.
It ain't middle.
But anyway, since now woman, it don't show say waiting man they do, woman can do a more better. Let we get a chance and see waiting at the outcome.
He don't even try in first game. I don't know the other game they don't play. He don't even try pass 80% of the mountain they will play because at least in do soup. He try. Victoria Conte. Good job.
Bravo.
And this woman, now in the person where the coach, we had the national team, woman team. This woman here, he don't try the prover. They show say he trump pass iron inside the Lion Mountain. Respect you, man.
But we had. We had.
Mm.
We had. 3 times. We dey plead to we had. As they don't give this woman this position, let we had give this woman chance. For let able to work, let we see her.
This is not about the yard. Now about Eastern Tigers. Because the other man then, when they don't say na woman don't they before, they no go they go for the Asabi undermine.
When I talk,
they get this other thing. Thompson. Pulling down syndrome, yeah? Thompson. You did try for go before. I want your position, but I know only they see you.
I dey elbow you.
Not for that day. Go the try for go before, huh? I did draw you. Me self they go before.
1, 2 they go behind.
What in this thing about pulling down syndrome? If you throw me can be in, you self they go behind.
Of course.
So please let me support we self inside we yard, yeah? And let me go before. But wait Victoria, they almost dey pay you, man.
This na the other thing. This na the other big question. No can church blind. You dey see the blind big na the head so, but wetin dey inside the blind, e not even able do for go put na store.
Now this then go say, you name popular pass, you pocket. Hey God. And I tell you, they get beaucoup pressure because for the mere fact they don't say you na coach.
Coach.
Then fambulem. Hey, me picking a coach, a big woman now. Then they begin come. Hey Victoria, they pity with you right now. Because you name don't pass your salary. Western Tiger, Mr. Louis, how alone I look inside in waiting, yeah? Let una make clear encouraging. Una no able disclose.
At least let it smile small.
Yes.
Let it smile long.
Because I know
We just want to smile.
Plenty time then the way coach can go past them begin go and pan the player there. Waiting there for like a small team.
The man get transport.
I get transport.
The man take Okada.
Please do not left.
The man take keke.
This make a glad for Abdullahi Safa. Emmanuel Safa Abdullahi.
You know what's your problem? You took Congo, sir.
No, this not the two. This not the man. This pan Premier League will make team then get structure. Then they able for play. They put in amount. Say this how they pay player now.
You want to tell me now? See what they happen right now?
Well, no, na in beginner. At least it counts good initiative. So thank you. I'm not gonna forget you. We're not gonna talk about you. We had in Premier League. We'll not talk about you. Emmanuel Safa Abdullahi.
Anyway, you deserve them.
Thank you very much. Anyway, don't let football. Let me go inside.
Proper now the package of weird. Inside.
Let me talk about the entertainment.
The yo.
Yeah, man. Yo, man.
Yo, the
I wanna
AYV.
be a star. Ooh.
You na musician. Na a cappella they give on a caterpillar. Because the program no they talk about now about entertainment. If they can't begin they cry now, ooh. I don't know if na caterpillar or na acapella. Well, listen, now na entertainment they talk about. I can't show you now say me the rap. Yo, you got to stop the shining. You looking at my watch from a maculated dining. Now I'm 27. You better outstep when I'm rap with my penny to.
Okay, wait.
I don't know you, bro.
No, I dance no more.
I don't
because
know you.
I think you get some reading. But when you talk, I don't understand nothing.
Yeah, because now he.
I don't hear you watch no more.
Nah,
Nah,
he.
But anyway, on a more serious note, be a star. AYV Africell. And AYV Empire and Africell. Boss Jimmy, the man who can give life to salon music those days. In paradise. Hey boy, left for. Una left for. Khadija. Uncle Taya. This now why okay and in the boss Jimmy now Khadija and you on this so. But anyway, I talk about those days then. You know when I know. When I born them 10 and be. When I understand what I talk. This particular program I appreciate the star prize narrative.
We hear say because no say we now we are the peep. We hear say the star prize na 50 million leons.
Jackpot!
But we don't know if now by word or by cash.
I'll tell you now something. This is not about marketing. But AYV, Africell, and Jimmy, who said they all three don't come together, plus the other one there, a reality. No power can already.
Well, we pray so.
And we just want for no more. The one we deserve them, let them make clear get them.
That's not the other problem.
But they enjoy what be a star. Look. Watch. Enough, fine.
Now, program me self they follow na YouTube.
They're really nice. I like them. So I appreciate. Anyway, that's not sporting entertainment. Don't leave that now. Now, our more for now. Stretch. Inside the big battle.
The Baba there. Now we are.
What's how we start?
Let we start to people them when me feel say and other people them feel say they no like salon at all. All what they think about now for them pocket. When
Alpha side
Alpha side do. No, me I know call Bangura side because I get relative don't know Bangura.
No matter. Now this individual. Alpha side. Because other people in the back name so. Alpha Saidu. You know what to make I come with this talk to you? He talk big, then make I drink small water. I see one day when the caretaker get cocktail with the pressman then call you for introduce for the work owner they do and the information. I see they make so. They say una clap. I shock. Once you make so. You know what he make?
Pass you tell me.
I feel say Alpha Saidu not the shame.
But before we go there, watch wetin Alpha Saidu dey do na the cocktail program wey caretaker bin get.
Okay. Very shameful.
He full up me, what are they run me? Full up me much.
Yeah.
But to the most serious note, my brother Aliu, I don't know how you they think or how you they feel about that kind of people there, Alpha Saidu, Bangura, the type.
You been tell me something, say Alpha Saidu now one of the people the way waiting crucify caretaker bill before he become president.
But Julius Madabio, even among EU supporter them, he not care about the better one them all. Now the one they know better, now he care about.
The same caretaker where you crucify, where they give the caretaker the compound for them look after. We see you come back with you belly. You can't lay belly. But you trust this man?
Caretaker, I trust him. I know one thing about we caretaker. A open hand, he gets good heart. When you come, you say, I saw you, sir. And they say, okay, no problem. You go come. You get good heart, sir. But Alpha Saidu, I don't think safe for the appear and then public, they after waiting don't talk. But this same man, you go to me before and he makes so back. You know for to do that, but I mean no disrespect. But you know for to do that, sir. If you just in a corner, quietly they do your business. Some of them public film, then they know they can't make some. It disgrace yourself because you don't talk. Now this we can talk. When I get for be very careful the way when they talk about people there. The way when they curse people there. Now this social media. When I get for be very careful. You don't know how to marry at Alec. That man where you don't say no will ever be president caretaker. He and get blood. Now that small blood now we talk about saying the door by so the liquor.
That man they now him bring drink.
Now you know how you make so.
That man they now him can push a man. That man they not to the right man.
A violent man.
A violent man, not to the right man for the yard. Now corrupt man.
Get blood
and if no more he say power. And
I demand this way begin talk say mother be no go America indeed the mother be no and begin pull out security.
Now I make you know all thing but we landlord. Sorry. No we caretaker.
Anyway, don't waste time, pal. Don't waste time. Let me go back to we own former deputy caretaker, Chief Samuel Samsumana. I will ask the same question. You dey in love with APC on a pride you no get? This man,
I not laugh you.
no, but this man, like he normally call something, say, dog they pull something, he go back, he liquor.
Waiting? Vomit.
I no, just call and find. Where dog pull something, now you the same person back where they leak. The same thing, you, Alpha Saidu, are the same thing. The same thing.
So, me fambulem, as we dey discuss about Chief Samuel Sam Sumana in Kawan back, now we form a yard. We don't know what you think. He can genuinely, he can support the party for let the party push go before, or he can retaliate.
Retaliate against that.
Against we form a yard.
Former caretaker.
Yeah.
Now they get sense. You feel the way to make former caretaker and S. Michael man not agree resign it still now. Because in another one, if you don't promise say when he be president after when he left, when he come out as president, he resign. Say now this same person where the grab Samsumana, he pull passport, diplomatic passport na hand publicly. Now in the same person we don't go call him back come. Wait till the after sir. This make I go back to Sylvia Blyden. He write one article where they talk about disinfectant.
I read them.
Yes, where they
Was
talk.
it day before yesterday?
Exactly.
Nice that for me.
When they talk, say, Sam Sumana, before ever, then trust am with the party flag, they get for make sure, say, they don't clean himself proper one. Because the kind way I they rub skin with SLPP is too much.
Yeah.
And the freedom. But again, this make I go to the question of the in party member then. Because right now, the leader of the C4C, na Sir Emerson Lamina Honorable. This now be the former mayor of Koidu New Sembeo City Council.
City Council, yeah, of course.
Because of the relationship between Sir Emerson Lamina and Sam Sumana, be make Dana Konomani sack Emerson Lamina as mayor. The way na be local government minister. Now, in not say them sack Sam Sumana. Now they don't form C4C. C4C in a parliament. This man are the leader of the party in a parliament. Now Sam Sumana don't go. It be all allegiance to Sam Sumana. But I ask you, the father and go or you the left like party, because I know say the international body for C4C don't say the party go still there. You dey go with them or you self go think of your pride.
Bo me man, you Congosa? You really Congosa?
No, not just two.
You forget say we own yard, you own transfer no get letter. You can sleep and wake tomorrow morning. You say Ali you don't transfer.
But I be not say not to all man inside the party the support them.
Well, it can be so. But I dey watch on video then at the same social media, the same people where they ask so say if then they follow Chief Sam Sumana. Now the same people there be make APC capside. Now there you sit.
Kono.
I
don't blame Kono. Let's tell you something. Kono na swing districts. They not get one party. Idea, and tomorrow.
But the baffled thing of it now, we dey get to understand say some people say let the park go, then still dey maintain C4C. Another people say who side the park they go, now they will they go. So wetin color people they want tell me how they want put we na corona salon?
Well, let we see. Because maybe no say Sam Sumana at one point in time he not be able to get command over people in Akono. Let me sympathize with them for based on waiting and do. But for now, well, because Kono the swing, let we see who side go swing this time. So the question is, who side Kono go swing for the 2023 general election now we are. Anyway, if you just join me, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like what we discuss, press the like button. For let we know what you think about anything we don't talk about inside the program, leave your comments below, yeah? And please, for let other people know about this program, and for continue for the share and for please, yeah? You can also follow me now with Facebook page, yeah? We are at the name of Facebook, okay? So continue for be part of the program. I don't want to label too much on this Sam Sumana because the diplomatic passport where they take now in hand disgracefully. Now they give Idris Elba with pride. Anyway, Idris Elba. Idris Elba. Salon passport, eh?
Diplomatic.
Oh, diplomatic.
Not to, say we get that General Leone, the green one.
Yes.
Republic of Sierra Leone. In the diplomatic way, he entitled for travel to any country as a diplomat.
You get sense. Idris Elba, citizen of Sierra Leone, we are, and owner of we had in diplomatic passports. But they are asking for me about what to make it go na town.
Mr. Idris Elba, waiting really you can't do na town. Waiting na your mission. Talk to Ibaloyeri.
I'm 47 years old, and this is the first time I'm coming to my parents' country. Now, because, I'm just reaching this stage of growth. I've been acting for a very long time, and I'm very, very happy and very lucky to have it. But there's a growth that I want that, to be quite fair, America or England in entertainment cannot house my ambition. Africa can house my ambition. Like, I can create another Disney here.
Okay. You don't hear it? I don't hear it. People they don't hear it. What do you think? That's what you say. Not what we say.
I like that. Disney World, Salon Entertainment. We can't take a baby, put up by the entertainment. Now that they go for it, but you want music the other day we say, they say they do entertainment business, but we not say anything by entertainment. But anyway, if you don't put up by entertainment, someone until they pan now, answer
our girls.
So still, Idris Elba. Where is the entertainment, please? Disney World, one cent and salon. You know, brand ambassador now for We Yard.
But me, I guess small advice for Mr. Idris Elba.
Advice, ba?
As waiting, you don't talk to me na the screen. Mr. Idris Elba. Mr. Idris Elba. Do ya? We people them. We. Na the yard. We dey send this advice to you. As waiting you talk. Let able walk to them. Let you know can change this business. You take politics, put her inside you. Because I tell you, for any successful thing you want to do, now we are, if you take politics, you put her there. You dey know.
Please let me go to the issue of Nasser Ayub. Because it is Elba get citizenship, Nasser Ayub, people they bring and come up, they self talk. Now, the thing about we have constitution at that, you go only get first class citizen put and so if you mama or papa na black, where they say Negro African descent. So people then they say it is Elba come from nowhere, not true. And that's why if you don't try Ebola and other things, you really don't try. You don't contribute greatly. Foundation, you don't count one radio where we call free radio and all.
Free radio.
But still, continue for doing business. But then say you naturalize because that's what the constitution say. You say you know they naturalize. What to make you know I naturalize?
How can I serve my people if I'm not entitled, as a citizen, to give back to community? Yes. If they give me the passport today, not to naturalize Sierra Leone. If they say me na a citizen and I am qualified for run for politics, Nasser Ayub is going to run for any kind political position, being it, member of parliament or whatever it is, because I want to give back to my community. If this my community will say me there, I stand against any other person and I win. It's the will of the people. Why are you not afraid? But could people afraid? What are you afraid? It's called democracy.
Forget about politics. Politics now they talk about just now. Dirty business, man. Man, then they lost their plan. Let me tell you other thing. If you go inside politics, the amount of people they will like business outside they divide.
Then they hate you.
Then they divide because
then they hate you. Me brother, I mean say for the talk show, you know my way I like, but make I tell you for free. If now just a genuine help, you try for help people are down there, my brother, stay away from politics.
Yeah, big. Come up on politics. Yeah? Avoid politics. Anyway, we only come to the end of today's edition of the program we had. Continue for like, comment, and share with video. Please, not just come and watch with video. If you not don't subscribe, please subscribe and press the notification bell. So you go always get notification of a video then when we post them, yeah? And don't forget to follow me na Facebook. And if you get anything we want for discuss, we want follow we discuss, or any question you want for ask, if you're not able to put in our comment section, send a message to me in our email. We email na mockthenews012@gmail.com.
For una way, don't they follow we na YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp, Instagram. We tell una plenty thank you. For you when not can it, try for go and get with video, like, subscribe, you watch your video, you go like for listen to it till they talk.
This program na mock program. When they talk about serious things, then we make them, we mix out with humor, we mock the issue. Like the other day, somebody they asked me a question on Facebook, say, why will they make fun of a leader? Now, and they carry the image of the country. And so, touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. Now, they make with the suffer. So please, we make fun of everybody in this program. No one for know who that the person be. Yeah.
Fambule, one people know say, this program we had, we not to SLPP, we had committee, we not to APC, we not to NGC, we not to C4C. We the work for we had. So, you where they talk say, we they make fun of this, we they make fun of that, we they make fun of even we self. So, we not get boundary for make fun of nothing. Unalo we left this party picking business. This na something we get for do with we country, we yard.
Today, SLPP go say, hey, it go laugh because we make fun of APC. Tomorrow, APC go laugh because we make fun of SLPP. So if we start with SLPP, we make fun of the president, please, not facing an APC business or begin the attack. Anyway, that is it. And so you get for being no more. Anything you do, then get for attack. So we continue for doing what we want for do, yeah? As long as we know say we do the right thing, yeah? If you get any information we want for, let we get documents, anything, just please email we now mockthenews012@gmail.com. We get somebody will send message to we, but we will come with you issue next edition and this deal with and seriously. We now concerning one Awana to Timbo, where they live now Kuwait, where in Madam, you know, towards Watana embark, and in Itam and Iyai, they almost go blind now. They need emergency surgery for them. You know, they say then be somebody be raise, you know, fund, then give money to somebody.
A group of people.
Yes, then be raise fund and then give money to somebody. Where the person take them, it just go give half and then it will be balance for you know, whatever you see want for do. So we try for get on to the person. We don't message on Facebook. If he reply, if he see the message, he tick blue, he not reply to we they come on with him. But if he reply to we will come up with in detail. Yeah.
And that's all we'll take telephone at today on program. Till next week, me, na Usman, Justin.
And me.
We had soldier. you know me had every bada police. Yeah, chief of police.
All for which now. Happy 2020. May God make we yard. Better come be angry. Let it stop playing. And let we not get anything we get for do with by that. You know, let we drop the support as things we go on. Let developments come now we yard. Yeah? Love you. Love we yard. Thank you very much.
We take telephone now. We are forever, we are all the way.